Welcome to Danske Fragtmænd in Denmark. My name is Peter Sorensen. I'm the warehouse manager. Here we have around 6,000 square feet in the front and 8,000 in the back. We pick and pack for different customers, 14 customers in all. We have 18,500 pallet places. We pick and pack by truck, and we empty containers which has cross-dock items that have to go out right away.
Hello, my name is Kenneth. I work here at Danske Fragtmænd. I'm in charge of the customer. When you arrive here, you will work with me for around a week. You will try to receive goods, warehouse handling, and picking and packing orders.
Your task will be from learning cross-dock to pick and pack by truck, by reach truck, and just by foot. You will go to the office and try to do some administrative assignment. And then at the end of your stay here, you will try to go one of our leaders, and you will have your own team to manage and learn how to make a budget. And when you're finished here, we hope you're prepared for the real thing in the real world.